Let's take a look at the simulator. How to achieve this effect? When we're pushing up the fader, the fixture turns on slowly. And when we're pulling down the fader, fixtures remain on first, then slowly off light. This means that the fade-in and fade-out effects are saved in the same queue as the same fader. Let's start the tutorial. Select fixtures. Then double-click Add button to light up fixture, or press Locate button to light up fixture. Adjust the vertical and horizontal positions of the light to the desired state. Press Store button. Select any blank fader, and store this queue into this fader. Press Clear button. Pushing up the fader is just a regular thing, as we pushing up or pulling down the fader to control fixture brightness. If the fader is pushed halfway, it is half the brightness. If the fader is pushed to the top, it is full brightness. Click on the scene to enter playback editing interface. We need to set 3 kinds of time here. The first is the fade-in time. The second is the fade-out time. The third is the delay-out time. At the same time, we also need to select the fader mode. Deselect Control Dimmer. Let's set the 3 time settings we just mentioned. The first fade-in time. If we only want the brightness fade-in, that is, only the brightness has fade-in effect, and no need fade-in effect for other channels, then we can set dim fade-in. For example, let it slowly light up within 3 seconds. Click the Attribute column to drag the menu bar, or click the Progress bar below to drag the menu bar. Second is the fade-out time. For example, let it slowly light off within 3 seconds when we're pulling down the fader. Third is the delayed-out time. Delayed-out time means when we're pulling down the fader, wait a few seconds, then fade out and slowly turn off. For example, let's set the seconds for the light out. Let's pushing up the fader. It will slowly light up. When we're pulling down the fader, the light will remain on for 2 seconds. Then execute the process of slowly light off within 3 seconds.